This is how Lulu goes in and checks on the babies. What are they doing? What are they doing? My demonia. I know. Lulu, tell them to go in their coop. Lulu, get him out of there. Get him out from under there. Thank you. Move him out. Good girl. Here they come. Isn't that cool? She's a good dog. Come on, Lulu. Put him in the coop. Uh-oh. Escaped. Lulu's herded them all out except always this one little yellow one. Go get her, Lulu. Get her out. Get her out. Where is she? Where's the baby? So she's under the house. There's the baby. Come on. Want to look in there? Okay. Let's make sure they're all in there. Everybody in there? Yeah. They're all there. Good job, Lulu. Good job, Lulu. Lulu's a good dog. Yes. You ready to go? Come on. Got more chores.